Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on Fortnite. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. You should know that this can be done either on your PC or your mobile device, so you can choose to do it on whatever device you're more comfortable with. The first thing that you want to do is open up a new web browser and then navigate for Epic Games. That's because Fortnite is owned by Epic Games, and that's why we'll be able to enable 2FA on Fortnite through the Epic Games website. So once the results appear, you can click onto Home so you can get into the homepage of the Epic Games website. Now you're gonna need to sign into your account, and after that you wanna click onto the profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then select account that appears in the drop down menu. Now here we are in the account settings page. From here you wanna go to the menu on the left and click onto password and security, and you will see yourself in front of this page. You want to scroll down until you see this option which says email for two-factor authentication. So go ahead and click onto the button that says setup next to it, and then you're gonna have to enter your security code right here. This security code is gonna be automatically sent to your email box, so check there, and after you find it and paste it in here, you can go ahead and click onto the blue tab that says enable email authentication. Now you can see you've successfully set up an email as your two-factor authenticator, so the next step is to set up a phone number. Go ahead and click onto the third setup button which is underneath, and then type in your phone number so you can receive an SMS code for two-factor authentication. Click onto continue to receive the 6 numbers code, and after that check your SMS box and you're gonna find the code there. So all you have to do is enter that code in these boxes, and then you can click onto the enable SMS authentication button, and now you successfully set up SMS code as your two-factor authenticator. Now for the final setup, which is with the app, give it a click and you will see a QR code. You're gonna have to use your phone for this one, so open up the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone and download the Google Authenticator app. Once you open it up, tap onto the plus button on the bottom right corner of the screen and tap onto scan QR code. It's gonna open up the camera, so you can just use your camera to scan the QR code, and then finally click onto the activate button and you've successfully enabled Authenticator app as well. So that's it, that's how to enable 2FA on Fortnite. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.